your privacy is important to us, and we know it's important to you. So we created privacy zones so you can decide what is off limits in your camera's field of view. To set up a privacy zone, you go into your device dashboard and select Device Settings, and then Privacy Settings, and Privacy Zone. Then to add it, you just click into your camera's field of view, press Add, and then select the area that you want to be blacked out. So in this case, I want to black out my balcony from any recording. Press Done, and that's how you add a privacy zone. Now, when you go into that device, you'll see that our camera will no longer be showing that section. To delete your privacy zone, you go back into Device Settings, Privacy Settings, and Privacy Zones. Select Edit. Select the zone you want to delete. Click the trash can. Delete the privacy zone. And that's it. All right, so I removed my privacy zone, and now when you go back, you'll be able to see everything.